Today we're sharing the hidden and underutilized spots on Sapphire Princess that can completely change your cruise experience. Hey everyone, my name is Tori from KirkToriStory, where we've been cruising on well over 60 ships since 2022. Today I am going to show you the lesser utilized places on the Sapphire Princess that will make you more comfortable on this busy ship. If you've cruised lately, you probably noticed something. Ships feel fuller, loungers disappear by 9 a.m. The buffet looks like a Black Friday sale, and sometimes you just want a chair. We're currently sailing on the Sapphire Princess, and yes, she's sailing full. But here's the good news. There are still places on this ship where you can breathe. And stay with us until the end, because the final one might be the most overlooked bar on the entire ship. Number 1, let's start with a classic, the Wheelhouse. During the day, it's peaceful, comfortable seating, rarely packed, perfect for reading, chatting, or just escaping the pool deck chaos. At night, it transforms into a cozy live music venue, usually a duet or a small band. It feels intimate instead of overwhelming. It's the kind of place where you actually hear the music instead of hearing 600 conversations at once. Number 2, movies under the stars on deck 14. Now, here's something people overlook. Movies under the stars isn't just for big blockbuster nights. You can grab a lounger, sometimes even a blanket, and enjoy popcorn with surprisingly few distractions. It's structured seating, people are focused on the screen, it's calm in a weird way, it's one of the most peaceful open air spots on the ship. And speaking of open air, number 3, Calypso Reef and Pool on deck 16. If the main pool deck feels like a family reunion at sea, walk aft. It's covered, it's shaded, and usually far less chaotic. Head up one level to deck 16 and you'll often find open loungers, more space and more breathing room. Do you see a pattern forming? Go up, go aft, go where others don't. Number 4, the spa pool on deck 15. The spa area has a lesser known pool that's especially quiet in the mornings. Fresh air, hot tubs, fewer people, not a loud party space. It's more deep breath and relax. And while we're here, number 5, the free steam room and sauna. Yes, Princess has a paid thermal suite, but what most people don't realize is that in the public spa shower area, there's a free steam room and sauna tucked behind the wall. Almost no one uses it. It's like finding a secret level in a video game, except it's hot and relaxing. 0 upcharge required. If you've liked these tips so far, I would please like to invite you to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. We are a small channel and we're trying to give you the best information so that you don't miss out. Let's move on to the next one. Number 6, Oasis hot tubs on deck 16. Still on deck 16, because clearly deck 16 understands the assignment, you'll find the Oasis hot tubs. It's less busy than the main pools, lots of loungers, shuffleboard is nearby, it's relaxed and way more comfortable. Number 7, Skywalkers Nightclub, deck 18. By day, Skywalkers is a hidden gem. Huge windows, ocean views, tables for cards or games. Yes, you will hear the basketball court thumping above, but it becomes background noise. At night, it transforms into a nightclub, and even then, it's often underutilized compared to what you'd expect. 2 personalities, 1 space. Number 8, Vivaldi Restaurant on deck 5. During the day, Vivaldi isn't just a dining room. It's open for card playing and board games. Plenty of tables, comfortable chairs, it's a quiet atmosphere. And if you need supplies, number 9, the library on deck 6. Pop up to the library. Grab a book. Pick out a board game. It's old school cruising in the best way. And if ultimate quiet is your goal, number 10, your own balcony with free breakfast. Sometimes the best quiet spot is the one you paid for. Play cards on your balcony, watch the sail away privately, and one of the biggest bonuses on Princess, you can still get free breakfast delivered right to your cabin. So skip that breakfast rush. Sip coffee in pajamas. Win the morning. Number 11, deck 17 forward, above the bridge. So right in front of the gym, above the bridge, there's a forward-facing outdoor area. It can be windy, but the views, they're incredible. If you want ocean, horizon, and very few people, this is it. And now, the most hidden spot. This is the one people walk past without even realizing it's there. The Wake View Bar. Technically accessed from deck 7, but the lower level sits on deck 6. So there's a tucked away bar back there called the Wake View Bar. It's behind the international dining room. It feels almost secret. There's quiet seating, it's rarely crowded, and somehow almost no one finds it or even knows about it. If you want that "how is no one else here" moment, this is it. And my last big bonus is if you have nothing to do on a port day and you decide to stay on the ship, maybe you should consider getting your hair done. I just had an amazing experience with Glen in the hair salon. I was literally the only one in there. So that's one last tip for any of you who decide to get your hair done. I know, he's only taking off a millimeter. You sure
What's
that you're
going
taking
on over
off?
here?
I'm
Hi guys.
getting a giant haircut.
Hi Glen.
Hello, how are you?
Good. What are you doing to her?
I'm doing her a nice treatment. I put some nice moisture shampoo on her hair, nice treatment conditioner on her hair, and now we're taking an inch off like this much of her hair.
An inch?
Yes, like this much.
Okay.
Looking more like a millimeter. So, ships may be sailing full, but that doesn't mean your cruise has to feel crowded. Sometimes you just need to know where to go. If you've sailed Sapphire Princess or any Princess ship, tell me about your favorite quiet spot in the comments. We love discovering the hidden gems. And if you want more Sapphire Princess tips, cabin tours, and cruise strategies, please check out our other videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.